CDR, P. Sanders, Austin Mahone. Let's go.
Daydreaming, I'm thinking of you. When they play this song, I'll be thinking of you. Like all night long, I'll be thinking of you. It's just a teenage love, but I can't get enough. I got a crush on you. I got a crush on you. I got a crush on you. I got a crush on you.
I got a crush on you, but my heart's one to break. I don't know what to do, girl, I know it's no mistake. You're just so beautiful, the sun don't need to shine. And my world is turning round for the chance to call you mine. What do I have to do to show that I can care? I will love you like no other, girl, no other can compare. It's rare like my breed, only good is in the seed. And unlike these other guys, I really care about your needs. Your soft hair, smooth eyes, feeling indescribable. How can a girl like you ever think that I'm reliable? It's when you walk right by that I try